Bullish Primate value expectation is $5.086 to $7.558. ApeCoin, Primate, cost could likewise reach $8 soon. Bearish Gorilla cost expectation for 2022 is $3.108. In ApeCoin, Gorilla, cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Revol, and other data about CHIMP to examine the future development of the digital money. ApeCoin, Primate, current market status. The cost of ApeCoin, CHIMP, is $5.66 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $663,109,602 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, Primate has diminished by 1.3% as of now. Besides, ApeCoin, Primate, has a flowing stockpile of 314,218,750 CHIMP. Presently, ApeCoin, Primate, exchanges cryptographic money trades, for example, Binance, CoinTrade, KuCoin, Huobi Worldwide and FTX. What is ApeCoin, Gorilla? ApeCoin, Primate, is the local utility badge of the CHIMP environment. It is an ERC20 token made and oversold by ApeDAO since its send-off in WAC 2022. ApeCoin has turned into a popular metaverse token connected with the viral exhausted Gorilla Yacht Club, BAYC, NFTs and other signed metaverse. ApeCoin, Primate, is the essential administration token which rewards clients casting a ballot rights in its local DAO. Primate holders take part in the organization's administration proposition. Primate is sent as a decentralized installment token across a few Web3 apps. Engineers and clients get sufficiently close to the implicit administrations inside the CHIMP environment. Additionally, ApeCoin, Primate, is designated as a motivator to remunerate engineers who add to the organization's turn of events. ApeCoin, CHIMP, Value Forecast 2022. The above diagram of ApeCoin, CHIMP, spread out the sliding channel, otherwise called the falling channel. A diving channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the trait of a negative market. As of now, ApeCoin, Gorilla, is in the scope of $5.014. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of Gorilla could arrive at the opposition levels of $5.276 and $7.614. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of CHIMP might tumble to $4.194. The outlines show that ApeCoin, Gorilla, has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Primate could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $7.558. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of ApeCoin, CHIMP, could dive to nearly $3.108, a negative sign. ApeCoin, Primate, Value Expectation 2022, Revol, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of ApeCoin, Primate, is displayed in the outline underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of CHIMP lies underneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, MAMA, of ApeCoin, CHIMP, is displayed in the graph above. Prominently, the ApeCoin, CHIMP, cost lies over 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is totally in an upturn. At present, CHIMP is in a bullish state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of CHIMP whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record, RSI, of the CHIMP is 47.40. This implies that ApeCoin, CHIMP, is in an oversold state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of Primate might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. ApeCoin, Primate, Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list, ADX, of ApeCoin, Primate. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of ApeCoin, Gorilla. As of now, the ADX of Gorilla lies in the scope of 27.704, so it demonstrates a frail pattern. The above outline additionally addresses the general instability file, RVI, of the ApeCoin, Chimp. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Gorilla lies over 50, demonstrating high instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of the ApeCoin, Gorilla, is at 47.40, subsequently affirming a potential purchase signal. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value changes of BTC, ETH, and Chimp are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and Primate would increment or abatement individually. ApeCoin, Primate, Value Expectation 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, ApeCoin, Gorilla, could most likely achieve $11 by 2023. ApeCoin, Primate, Value Forecast 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, ApeCoin, Chimp, could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Gorilla could energize to hit $15 by 2024. ApeCoin, Primate, Value Expectation 2025. In the event that ApeCoin, Primate, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, Chimp would mobilize to hit $19. ApeCoin, Chimp, Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that ApeCoin, Chimp, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Primate would mobilize to hit $23. ApeCoin, Gorilla, Value Expectation 2027. If ApeCoin, Primate, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Chimp would revitalize to hit $27. ApeCoin, Chimp, Value Forecast 2028. ApeCoin, Chimp, holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, Chimp would hit $31. In 2028. ApeCoin, Gorilla, Value Expectation